Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I got a new fidget spinner. And it's gold and it has like legit bearings in here. So I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's really loud, but it's also really cool when you one of my next videos will be with a drone. I am getting a drone, and yeah. Anyway, let's forget about the drone, and we will play with my. I have trick shots. I don't know if it's easy to do this, but I've never been able to master this guy, but I finally mastered it. But I'm gonna try doing it on this finger. I've never done. I nearly broke it. Well, I can nearly broke that, but. Guys, like a thumbs up if you like a good drone. And good fidget spinner, because obviously, my next video will be a review on that. Will be a flight and let's see, what is it? Oh yes, a flight and a reviewing of my new drone. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna work that well because it is only like a cheap drone from like a really good store. So yeah, let's hope that it survives, and maybe I can get a camera and attach it to it, because that'd be like awesome. Right? So today I'm gonna be doing just a quick reaction video. Okay, so let me see. I will. Right, guys, I am gonna be doing the reaction video in the next vlog because I forgot to do something. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up for the fidget spinner and the drone. Alright, bye guys. Bye.